on. Okay. There's a really hungry bird right there in the tree, and I'm going to feed him some of this Whole Foods blueberry bar. Watch this.
Yeah, hold on.
Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. Good kitty.
A little big to swallow, but...
Yeah, it's a big one, huh? Yeah.
That was pretty good. I think you got it.
I think I got him. I told you that was a big hungry bird. Watch this. Two more pieces to feed him, and I bet you he comes back.
How long does that camera go for?
Oh, it's digital. It'll go for
There's
days.
that fat one. The fat one won't come down.
Here, kitty, kitty. Come on, kitty, kitty.
I'll step away. Maybe that'll help.
I don't think it... Well...
Oh well.
Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. Come on, kitty, kitty.
Same kitty. One again.
Good
I think
kitty.
that's the male, and...
Yep. Alright.
That was good. Good man, you being National
Now that's the great outdoors. And mind you, this camera is perched on one of these things.
Sean's snowmobile rental.
And we're on a fucking mountain. Isn't it beautiful?
East Mount Kennebago.
Mount Kennebago, Maine. And the sun's out. And it's snowing.
Pretty much. Probably in Stratton, Maine. We're pretty close to Eustis.
We're living large. I don't know if this focused on me or not, but peace.
Yeah. We